Alright, so I lent my GoPro to someone, so I have we're back with the old camera. But it is, let me get the date. It's currently the 21st of August. Alright, a lot's happened in the past couple of days. Alright, on Friday, passed my license test, but I haven't got my license yet. I get that Monday or Tuesday, hopefully. Picked up the new ute, so I got to do work on that, take off all the DNFs, put the new tray on, and today I'm going to get the canopy, put it out here. It's a nice day, and so I'm going to paint it black, and then hopefully later today I can start sticking some of the panels on. Now I can't stick them all on because I don't have enough of the tape, but I can stick a lot of them on. So yeah, I can stick a third of them on. So I'm going to stick back panel, probably the back third, excluding the doors. Probably going to do all of that. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I'm also going to clean out the interior of my car, basically clean it, do a lot of work to it, take off the bull bar because I need to paint that again. So yeah, a lot to do, and so I'm just going to get to it and bring you back whenever I feel like it. Alright, so I need to get this out there. Since I put the doors on, it's a lot heavier, a lot more awkward to carry, and I don't want to fucking bang it into everything or drag it on the floor with dirt on it. So I'm going to put one end on this and carry the other end and then drag it, and hopefully hopefully then we can get it out there. Alright, I'll see you when I've done that. Alright, so I got my cold galv and paint. Alright, I'm gonna cold galv all of the bits that have like come off and just been scratched and stuff, and then I'm gonna paint it. So yeah, we're very close to having it be very almost done. So yeah, I'm gonna get to painting that, and then I'm gonna work on my ute. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so I got this painted, or mostly anyway. It's only like the first two coats, so there's a bit that's, some bits that are patchy that I'm going to do again. I've got 2 more cans on the way, and so I don't know when they're going to get here, probably when Rowan gets home from work, and then I'll finish this up. I don't know how many panels I'll stick on tonight. I think I might just see if I can get the back one, this one, and these 2. Maybe just those stuck on. But I need it all to be painted perfectly before I stick anything on, because otherwise this white is going to get covered in paint. What's I doing? Oh yeah, and I've lost. So I have the small ratchet, that's a very large ratchet, and a large ratchet, but I can't find the one in the middle, which is the one I need and the one I want, which is really frustrating, and I have no idea where it is. So yeah, that's a bit annoying. Do we have a 14 on the small? Do we have a oh, you're joking, the 14 long socket's gone. Or deep socket, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I'm currently trying to find that, because I am taking the seats out of my ute to well, to clean everything under it. No, they're just spanners. God damn. Anyway, yeah, so probably once I've cleaned the ute, I'll show you guys. Alright, so canopy's still drying. It's basically dry though at this point. So I want to get the other cans and get that fully painted, which would be nice. Currently just cleaning the car, so I took the back seat out, took the floor mat out. It's actually, like, the clean parts of it are really clean, like factory clean, which is very nice. And I'm cleaning all this, basically just mold and shit. It's just like it rubs off with water and stuff, but I'm just cleaning it off so that it looks nicer. And then I'm going to do the dash, install the UHF, things like that, take off the bull bar, get it ready to paint. Basically, yeah, just giving this thing a tidy up and making it look a bit nicer. So yes. Alright, it's a lot later in the day. I've been cleaning a lot. I cleaned all the floor mats, they're no longer shitty. Cleaned all the windows. Haven't yet got around to the doors. Currently putting in the UHF, aerial, stuff on the back. I'm going to do kill switch as well. Put the seats back in, everything like that. But it's coming along nicely. Alright, so currently I've pulled the ute in the shed, started the fire. I cleaned out the entire interior of the ute, as you saw. It's all back together now. Very, very clean. Not that you can see that really. And then Ron couldn't get the cans today, so he's gonna get them tomorrow. So then I'm gonna finish that and start putting panels on tomorrow. So tonight I'm gonna work on this, take the bull bar off, swap tires front to rear, rear to front. I'm also going to see if I can take the tray off and the DNFs. So yeah, that's my jobs for tonight, and so I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, it's still the 21st or whatever. I've got the tray off the ute and some of the DNFs off, but I'm going up. She's a little bit muddy, but apart from that, I got like some of the DNFs off, so it's getting clean. I'm doing it. It's just taking a long fucking time, so I'm gonna get that done tomorrow. Ron's bringing the paint, so we're gonna paint that and the bull bar. And yeah, we got school tomorrow as well, which is fucking annoying, but oh well.